So, Jari, how's it going? Your test day in, with Toyota in Estonia. What do you think about? Is Toyota ready for the fast gravel roads?
Yeah, now we are here in Vöru area, and it's first time when we are testing here. The idea was that we have been prepared for the Rally Poland, and we have been testing in Poland, but it's been not ideal to test roads, and it's been difficult to get the good, long, fast roads. And we took the opportunity to learn from Ford, because they've been testing here, and Tanaki's been very, very fast in Rally Poland. So we thought we should come here and drive in the fast roads and prepare for Rally Poland, and it's been very good.
What do you think? You and Toyota, are you ready to win or battle for the podium in Poland?
We managed to do now second place in Sardinia when Oit was winning. I think we've been doing good steps, and we should be able to challenge for the podium place. So nowadays the championship is so equal; it's difficult to say who's going to win and how things gonna be. But I feel good that I feel with the car good, and I think we should be able to challenge for the podium.
Okay, thanks.